In my last video, we talked about money habits that keep people stuck. But today I will be breaking down money habits that quietly make people rich. These are really small, tiny habits, but these makes a huge difference. And this video is not about that flashy success or crypto hype or overnight success. It's about the quiet habits, the boring one, invisible behavior slowly makes people rich over time because wealth is built quietly. Most wealthy people do not look rich while they are building their wealth. They do not talk about it and they do not post about it and they do not explain it. They just live differently. And if you copy the habits instead of the lifestyle, you actually get the results. They pay themselves first. Quietly rich people do not save what's left. They actually decide first. For example, automatic transfers, $400,000 contributions, and Roth IRA investments. The money never touches their lifestyle because if you don't see it, you don't spend it. They live below their upgraded income. When income goes up, their lifestyle doesn't fully follow, and that gap becomes wealth. For example, same car after a raise, same rent, higher savings. It compounds to no lifestyle inflation, which comes down to no lifestyle inflation. They let money compound instead of consumption. They use credit cards as tools, not crutches. Quietly wealthy people do not fear credit. They actually respect it. They actually pay their full bills every month. They also get cashbacks and travel points and no impulse shopping or impulse purchases or emotional purchases. Interest is a tax on impatience. They invest consistently, not perfectly. They are not looking for perfection. They are just consistent with their investment because they're not waiting for the right time to come when they'll be going to invest. They invest during the good markets and also the bad ones. For example, index funds, dollar cost averaging, long term thinking, because consistency beats intelligence. They also protect their time like money because time is the real asset that you have. And especially in 2026, right now, they say no to draining commitments. Like they do not hang around people who actually drain their energy, and also they do not use those apps that drain their energy and time, and of course waste their time. They often do not indulge themselves in those activities that waste their time. They also reduce their decision fatigue. They take action instantly, or even like thinking once and they just take the action. And they have a really good habit of building system because energy creates income. They build skills that pay forever because quiet wealth comes from leverage. Some of the high leverage skills are sales, marketing, writing, tech, and content creation. Because what skill, if you learn it right, it can permanently change your income. They also keep their lives boring. And actually, this one surprised people because financially successful lives are boring. They're not like those Instagram or Pinterest that you see all over social media. That's not, their life is not full of hype. It's quiet. It's quiet. It's actually peaceful and it's actually chilling and boring. Also, their spending is predictable and they have low chaos and low drama in their life. Boring finances equals peaceful life. They think in years, not months. They ask different questions. Where will this put me in 5 years? Like if they are taking a decision or investment, if they are making an investment or they are making a decision, they'll ask themselves that where is this going to take me in the coming 5 years? Or does this compound? Also, is this a short term pleasure or long term game? Long term thinking changes daily decisions. Quiet wealth isn't about money, it's about identity. And when you start acting like someone who values stability, yet peace, freedom, and also money follows. And if this resonated with you, if you like this, then please like this video and also, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.